In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Webflow. By the end, you'll know how to move from a simple Google search to connecting your Webflow site with Zapier, so your form submissions can be routed to different email addresses with ease. Start by opening your browser and searching for Webflow. Click the official Webflow result to head to the site. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can reach your dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the site you want to work on and choose View Site. This takes you into your project so you can access the tools you need. If you land on a public preview, switch into the Designer view, since that's where the app integrations live. Inside the Designer, look for the Apps section. This is your hub for extending Webflow with trusted tools. Open Apps, then find Zapier in the list. Zapier is the automation platform that will listen for your Webflow form submissions and pass them along to the right places. Click Zapier to open its details, and then choose Install on Site. You may be asked to confirm permissions and which site you want to connect. Go ahead and approve. A quick tip: double-check you're installing on the correct site if you manage multiple projects. Once the Zapier app is installed in Webflow, head over to your Zapier account. In Zapier's navigation, click My Zaps. This is where all your automations live. Locate the Zap you use to send Webflow form submissions to different email addresses and open it. Its name might reference Webflow forms or routing emails. The important part is that it's connected to the same site you just installed the app on. Inside that Zap, review your setup so it's aligned with your goals. Typically, the trigger will be a Webflow new form submission, and the subsequent steps determine where each message goes. Many creators add filters or paths so that, for example, submissions from a particular form or with a certain topic are sent to the appropriate inbox. Make sure the fields from your Webflow form are mapped clearly to your email step so recipients see the details they expect. If Zapier shows you sample data, use it to confirm everything looks right before you rely on live submissions. That's it. You searched for Webflow, opened your site, installed the Zapier app, went to My Zaps in Zapier, and opened the automation that routes your Webflow forms. Keep your login details secure, publish site changes when needed, and keep your Zaps clearly named so you can maintain them over time.